Thinking of renovating your kitchen? Struggling with the less storage and poor layout in your kitchen? This renovation shows how right design can completely change the way your kitchen works. Welcome to our YouTube channel Viva Interior. This is a picture of kitchen before makeover and this one is after makeover. It was a 25-year-old building. The client asked us to modify the kitchen with the modern look. He wanted a modern look and he wanted us to design it according to their utility. There were thin walls below the kitchen slab to support granite slab. First, we took measurements of each corner of the kitchen area. Client needed one thali basket, cutlery unit, and also a bottle pullout. Along with this, then he needed some more storage unit also. So, as we observed in the site that there were too many partitions existed below the granite slab, so it was very difficult for us to make any wooden cabin immediately for the whole length. So we took measurement of each partition and we divided into different boxes. Then we prepared a 2D site plan at the site itself. AutoCAD drawing is shown to client to take approval from him whether it matches with his requirement or not, as shown in the picture. Finally, we showed him the 3D plan of the new kitchen. Then we started the work. For more information related to interiors and construction, please subscribe to our channel Viva Interior Tips, where we will be providing step-by-step procedure for the execution of the interiors and construction.